Welcome to my channel Global Technology. Today I will show you how to repair a 32-inch LED television. We can hear the sound of this television. The power of the television is fine, but we can't see any light. We open the television cabinet to solve the voltage in a short time. In the first stage, we will see if any parts are damaged anywhere on the motherboard. If we do not see any damaged parts, we will measure the voltage in the television driver section of the television. If the voltage in the LED driver section is correct, then we have to understand that the LED strip is damaged. And if the voltage is not correct, then we have to understand the problem of our motherboard. As you can see, we have connected all the cables we need here and remove the one we don't need. To measure the voltage, we will first turn on the power of the television. You can see the power light is on. We are turning on the television with the remote. Now our television is on. We will use a digital meter to measure the voltage. You can see that our LED cables are connected, but the light is not on. To measure the voltage, we have selected DC 200 volts of digital meter. Now we will measure the voltage. You can see we have got 41 volts here, but none of our lights are on. This means that our LED driver section is good and our LED light may be damaged. Now we will check the LED light. We will remove all the cables from the motherboard. You can see 6 LEDs in an LED strip light here. So there are 12 LEDs totally, and these are series connection. If one of the lights is damaged, then none of our lights will light up. For this, we have to measure each LED light separately. We will need 3 to 3.5 volts of DC to measure the LEDs. If you use more than this, then your good LED light may be damaged. There is a tester available in the market called LED tester. If you don't have one, you can test these LEDs in alternative ways. You can use a mobile battery, or you can use a power supply, but in that case you will need a resistor. If your power supply is more than 5 volts, then you can use a resistor of 1K or 10K. You can see we are using DC 24 volts, and that is why we will connect a 1K resistor to DC positive cable. Now we will test the LED one by one. Now we are checking LED light. Good on. This one is damaged. This is also okay. Now we will check other 6 LEDs. This LED is also good. Damaged. So between 12 LEDs, we get 2 LEDs are damaged. Now we will show you how to repair them. You know, these LED strips can be changed and they are very expensive. There may be times when LEDs do not match the size or not available in the market. Then how can we fix it? You see, there are 12 LEDs here, 2 of them are damaged. Expressed for these two, we can light the remaining 10 LEDs. I told you before that this is a series connection LED. So if one LED is damaged, then whole LED light will be off. If we connect the two ends of the two LEDs with a jumper wire, then all remaining 10 LEDs will be glow. Now we connecting the copper wire. In this way, we connect the other one. Now we will connect the motherboard to the LED light and see if our work is successful. We connect the power cable. We use remote to turn on the television. 10 out of 12 LEDs are on. In this case, we will not have any problem. The display may have a slightly lower amount of light. So you can fix your favorite LED TV at home. You must share these videos with your friends so that they can fix their favorite LED TV at home. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe this channel.